How to delete TikTok account permanently? First of all, hop into TikTok app on your device. Sign into the particular account that you want to delete on TikTok. After a while, tap the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And then select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap Account at top of the screen and then tap Deactivate or Delete Account button. To delete your account permanently, select Delete Account Permanently option. Now enter the reason why you are leaving TikTok. And here you can easily provide a detail as possible and tap the Continue button. After a while, you need to check mark the small circle, and then if you wish to download your TikTok data, tap Request Download and tap the Continue button at bottom of the screen. So after 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. If you delete your account, you won't be able to log in and use any TikTok services with that account. You will lose access to all your videos. So if you're sure you want to delete your account, tap the Continue button and after a while your TikTok account will be permanently deleted. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.